Okay, so check this out. I just learned about a pixel art generator that uses genetic algorithms to evolve images,
Wait, what? A genetic algorithm for pixel art? That's wild. How does it even work?
right? So essentially, it starts with a random noise image and evolves it bit by bit to match a target image.
That's crazy. So it's like you're breeding pixels to get a perfect match.
Exactly, it uses selection, crossover, and mutation, just like in biological evolution, to improve the image.
So how does it decide which pixels are better or need to be evolved?
Good question. It measures how close the pixels get to the target by comparing RGB values.
So it's like a pixel competition, and the best ones get to pass their traits along.
Absolutely. Each pixel starts as a chromosome with binary genes for red, green, and blue.
Wow, that's such an intriguing way to think about colors. How does it handle errors or mutations?
Great point. It has a mutation rate that flips bits randomly, giving new variations a chance.
Oh, so it adds a bit of randomness to the process? That's like nature's way of keeping things exciting.
Exactly. And with each iteration, the generated image gets closer to the target.
I love that. How many iterations does it go through, though?
It goes through about 50 generations. That's like a pixel's lifetime in the evolutionary world.
And does it show the evolution over time in any cool way?
Totally. It generates an animated GIF that shows the process from random chaos to a stunning image.
That's so visualization friendly. It must be fascinating to watch that progression.
Right? It's like witnessing nature's art unfold, pixel by pixel.
And speaking of nature, this makes me wonder how closely art mimics natural processes.
Oh, for sure. Which makes me think, could we apply this to real-world creativity, like using algorithms?
That's a cool connection. Imagine artists collaborating with AI.
Exactly. AI could explore styles or variations that humans might not typically consider.
So it's an evolution of creativity itself. This opens a whole new world of possibilities.
You're right, but it does raise questions about originality and authorship, right?
Oh, totally. If an algorithm creates something amazing, who gets the credit?
That's a slippery slope. It challenges our ideas of what it means to be an artist.
It's like we're redefining creativity in the digital age.
And if we think about it, this pixel evolution connects to trends in other creative fields.
Wait, do you mean like how fashion evolves or even music?
Exactly. Styles evolve over time through a similar survival of the fittest concept.
Wow, so creativity itself is kind of evolutionary? That gives me chills.
Totally. It's fascinating to think that creativity builds on past influences and iterations.
This is blowing my mind, and the implications for future art and design are massive.
Right? Imagine a world where AI and humans collaborate seamlessly. Pure magic.
But hold on, does that mean traditional techniques might fade away?
Not necessarily. I think there will always be room for traditional methods alongside AI tools.
So kind of like a symbiosis? That sounds promising for future artists.
Exactly. It could inspire new hybrid forms of art we haven't even dreamed of yet.
Man, this also makes me think about how technology and nature can coexist.
Absolutely. And this pixel evolution is a perfect example of that intersection.
Ugh, I love it! Just think, every image could tell a story about its genesis.
Right? It's conceptually rich. I can't help but wonder what's next for creative tech.
Let's keep our eyes on the horizon. Who knows what incredible collaborations await?
For sure, the future of art is going to be a fascinating journey to witness.
Exactly. I can't wait to see where evolution takes us next.